First, on behalf of the officers, airmen, and airwomen of the Nigerian Air Force, I want to heartily congratulate you, Your Excellency, and wish you a successful tenure as the Executive Governor of Rivers State. Your Excellency, I sincerely thank you for the warm reception today and wish to express my appreciation for the cordial relationship and synergy that has existed between the state and the Nigerian Air Force over the years. I also want to commend Your Excellency for your resolve at prioritizing education at all levels and youth empowerment programs through the acquisition of relevant skills and opportunities to enable youths become economically active, productive, and prosperous. I also want to appreciate His Excellency for facilitating targeted access to low-interest funds for the youth entrepreneurs to start or improve their business, earn decent incomes, and generate employment for themselves and others. These efforts, Your Excellency, are indirectly tied to the enhancement of security in the state. We know that those actively engaged in one form of vocation or the other are very unlikely to be engaged in any form of criminal acts. Additionally, your resolve to be hard on crime and criminality in the state will no doubt serve as a deterrent to all criminal elements. And in this regard, the Nigerian Air Force and other security agencies under the Operation Delta Safe are sparing no effort at ridding the state and the Niger Delta region as a whole of all thieves and other criminal elements whose activities have had negative consequences on Nigeria's national security. Your Excellency, let me also profoundly thank you and commend the good people of Rivers State for the immense support the Nigerian Air Force has continued to receive. Their support has contributed significantly to our operations and the attainment of our mandates as we strive to ensure that the state and the entire South-South region is peaceful, safe, and secure for economic prosperity to thrive.
I want to appeal to you. When I say you, not you, but the entire Air Force. We're having a difficult time in this country. I want to appeal that you try as much as you can to see what we can do. We're ready to work with you to reduce economic sabotage, bunkering. It's a big issue, a big issue. It's not an issue that we are going to leave in the hands of the Navy or just in the Army, but everybody needs to come together. Even the government needs to work with you. You play a very strategic role, and that role is those things that we can't see while on ground. You can assess them up. And when we work together, I believe nothing is impossible for us to conquer. So I appeal to you to order the commander in charge of this base to work with us, because we intend to start a new arrangement. We already had an existing one, but I believe it's a bit slow now. We want to rejig it to see what we can do, because we want to fight this issue of bunkering headlong in the state. I will direct the special project to maybe visit the facility and assess the state of the housing. The runway we normally use there, I think it's also proper. We also assess it, and whatever it is that we can do to put it in order, we will. 2 days ago, what we need to do in terms of logistics, we've even handed over to them to commence whatever it is they're doing. So we are trying on our part to keep the service active and moving at the pace that is required for him to move.